Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are looking at GRE tunnels. So below this terminal, I have this simple topology over here. I have site A connecting over the Ethernet to site B, and we are going to create a tunnel between site B and site A. So by that, I mean that traffic from site A will be encapsulated in a GRE tunnel and sent over this tunnel to site B, and the internet space will not have any visibility of the traffic. So before that, the only thing I've done is that I've configured IP address on the internet router. Sorry, and I have similar interfaces pointing to the internet router, and I have enabled default static routing on site A to point to the internet router, same on site B, so that we can have reachability between the two sites. So same applies to site B. And show IP route shows that we have a default static route on each side pointing to the internet so that we can have reachability, because the internet connects different networks. So we are going to test for connectivity between the two sites, and the IP address on site B is 10.2222. So ping 10.2222, and as you can see, we have reachability. Okay, so now let me start creating the tunnel. So fast forward, I'll start on and before that, let me do a capture to prove what we are doing. And of course, is the reason why I'm creating this video using Wireshark to analyze traffic. So I'm going to filter for ICMP. So filter for ICMP, and as you can see, as at now, there is no ICMP traffic. So let me minimize it. So once again, I'll try the ping. It's only one, and I've sent only one ping to site B, and as you can see, this is the ping. And if we check the layers, we have layer 1, layer 2, we have Ethernet, layer 3, we have IPv4, and then layer 4, we have ICMP message. So now you see the request and then you see the reply. Now let's configure the GRE tunnel. So on site A, config T, interface tunnel 0, and then we set the IP address 172.16.16.1, 255.255.255.252, and then specify the tunnel mode. We are going to use GRE tunnel, and then IP to ensure that you are using IPv4, and then you have the tunnel source. We are going to source it from fast Ethernet 0/1. Then we're going to specify the tunnel destination. Tunnel destination will point to this particular interface over here. So the IP address is 10.2.2.2, and now we are good to go. So let me go to site B and do the same configuration over there. So config T, interface tunnel 0, specify the IP address 172.16.16.1, 255.255.255.252. Tunnel mode, GRE, IP, tunnel source. We're going to source it from fast Ethernet 0/0, and then we specify the tunnel destination. Tunnel destination will be 10.1.1.2. That's the IP address on this interface. And we enter. We will show IP. Now you see that the tunnel interface is up. IP interface brief. Now we have our tunnel interface right here. Okay, so now let's try to ping our tunnel interface. So ping 172.16.16.2. That's the tunnel interface on site B1 or site B. And as you can see, we can ping the tunnel interface on site B. Now let's go to Wireshark and do some analysis. Okay, so let me bring it here. Bring it here. Okay, so now this is the interface. I'm going to select this one too. Okay, so let me do a difference between the previous ping and the current ping. So I'll select this one. So as you can see clearly from the previous ping, you see we have layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, and layer 4. Now checking on the other side where we use the tunnel interface, we have layer 1, layer 2, and then layer 3 is IPv4, and now layer 4 is GRE. What the GRE is doing is that we are encapsulating IPv4 traffic inside IPv4 traffic. So as you can see here, we have our physical connection between the two endpoints, router 1 and then router 2. And then on top of that, we have a tunnel. And this is the tunnel. And the tunnel is encapsulated with IPv4 traffic. That's why you see this hexadecimal figure over there. And now this is the IPv4 encapsulated traffic. So as you can see, is the IP address on both tunnel interfaces, right? So we have 172, we have 16.1, and the destination is 16.2. And now on top of it, we have ICMP, and that's the ICMP request. And here you can see the ICMP reply. So this is a breakdown of GRE tunnels, how traffic is tunneled between two endpoints. And note that the interface between these two endpoints has no, for example, the internet router has no visibility of the network, and therefore I'll end the video here. So basically that's all GRE tunnels. So we can also do a test to see. So on the internet you can do debug. So on the internet router, we can do a debug IP ICMP bucket, debug IP ICMP, right? Good. So now on site B, I'll do the same debug IP ICMP. Now I'm going to send a ping from site A to site B over the tunnel interface, and as you can see on the internet router, it has no visibility over the network. But then when we go to site B, you see that it's responding to the ICMP request. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video where we discuss Telnet over GRE tunnels. Bye bye.